You firstly want to take your washing and you want to place your washing into the machine. From there you can put in your washing powder and your Stay Soft. The machine on. Right, very important, when you turn it, you get different, you'll see the time will change. For a 45-minute wash is you will always put it on wash and dry. That gives you 45 minutes. Any other place you will see is almost 2 hours that you're going to sit and watch. Then once you've done that, you can just push the play button and it will then start, or you can just stop it by pressing the pause button again. What's important here is this door locks. So if it's on, you won't be able to open this door, but once you've paused it, then you will be able to open the door again. If you want to switch the machine off, all that you do is you push on the power button and it counts off for 3 seconds and the machine switches off.